To get started, launch the Telegram app on your phone. Next, open the chat conversation where you wish to share your location. Now, tap the paperclip icon located beside the message field. From the menu that appears, tap Location. If you want to send your current location only, tap on Send Selected Location. The selected location will be shared in the chat, allowing the recipient to see exactly where you are. If you want to share your live location, tap the paperclip icon again. Tap on Location from the bottom menu. Now, select Share My Live Location for. Then choose how long this person will see your accurate location. And finally, tap Share. Your live location will be shared in the chat, allowing the person to track your real-time movements for the selected duration. If you want to stop sharing your live location, tap on your live location in the chat. From the bottom menu, select Stop Sharing Location. Your live location sharing will immediately stop, and the person will no longer be able to track your real-time movements. So that's how you can share your current and live location on Telegram Messenger.